Hi everyone. I have to say, the holidays, especially around Christmas, is my favorite time of year. David and I love doing it up and decorating, and I've always loved wreaths, and I thought it would be fun to do a little wreath making session today. You don't need very much at all. This is actually a grapevine, so the nice thing about this is that you don't need a lot of excess. There's no wire required, there's no floral tape required. So all you need to do is weave the leaves through the grapevine and they'll stay. You need a great pair of garden shears. Kind of like make it your own and just see where you end up. So let's start. First step, you choose filler for your backdrop. So good fillers are typically juniper berry, eucalyptus. This one might look really nice because it's nice and floppy. There's also bush ivy, and maybe it's nice with the combination, but the juniper berry, I have to say, smells amazing. What's nice is that these leaves are quite sturdy, so you don't feel like they're not super fragile. I've done this many times in Sweden where you make a wreath, for midsummer, for your wreath, a floral wreath for your head. And honestly, around the holidays, I'm always looking for less consumption and more mindful gift giving. And Etsy does really awesome sustainable wrapping papers, ribbons. They have the whole gamut, which is so nice. I think I need a lot of filler, huh? Okay, I'm gonna add some juniper berry, and I'm wrapping these things around each other. Going rogue here. It is actually so soothing once you start doing something like this. It feels like you could do it for hours. Now I'm going to do a combo of sticking little branches into the grapevine. It's good to get a lot of that filler. All right, I think I'm happy with my filler. I could go on forever, so I have to stop myself. And I'm gonna start with my accent colors. I guess as a makeup artist, I always love somewhere a pop of color, unexpected color. And I remember with Lip Suede, Les Rouge, I really wanted to have a really bright pop of color that was unexpected because it just makes you happy, it makes you joyful. So can you tell I like the Bordeaux palette? So because I feel as if this palette might be better just kind of seasonal, I'm adding these white dried flowers as well. I like this. I think it's nice and it's timeless and it would work any season. What do you think? Happy holidays, everyone, and I hope you have a go. It's fun. I'm definitely gonna do this again with some friends. Bye.